Now it's the crush washer for the front of the barrel. Again, I apologize. This storage building is exactly what it is. It's a storage building. Put the crush washer on, and there's the bird cage flash guard. Can't remember anybody saying anything about the specs on any torque on that. So oh, wrong end. There we go. You have to use the torque wrench just to give me some leverage, because it looks like it needs to go around. A little more, and I can see right now with this torque wrench I'm going to have a problem. Just turn around here so you can see.
Be back in that.
Okay. I believe that's it. Just trying to eyeball it. Yep, that's it. So we have installed the AR Stoner 556 NATO 1.9 twist 16-inch barrel. Got the Yankee Hill gas block with flip up front sight. The Ford, the arm guard cap. The Yankee Hill gas tube. Everything's installed. Got the flash guard with crush washer on. I believe this part of the build is done. So that's basically it, other than putting it back on lower receiver, which was already done, and bought complete, so I didn't have to build it. But I think I may get a replacement trigger fire control group just in case I have any issues. But that's it. Next thing is to take it back in the house, put it on the lower, put the bolt carrier group charge handle in it, and give it a little wipe down. This thing will probably be ready to shoot. I want to thank Willwood 487 for loaning me his vice block. I really appreciate that. That made this job a whole lot easier. So, anything I can ever do for you, if it's in my capability, don't hesitate to ask me. I know I've sent you some bullets, but some cast bullets. I'll send you some more. I really appreciate the loan of the vice block. So let me get this off and get it back in the house. Okay, I'm back. I'll go ahead and attach this to the dummy round. Push my pins out. I'll attach this to the LW15 lower. Okay. Now I'm going to install charge handle. Bolt carrier group. Put it right in. Close her up. Put it in. And other than putting the 4R on, it's done. Seems like it's working. Nothing binding up. Now, install the 4 on. The hardest part. Okay. Make sure it's in line. There it is. There's the completed AR. It's all done. Now I'm going to put this sight on, tighten it down. And then it'll be go to the range and give it a few test fires, check everything, and then Got me a complete AR-M4. It's taken me since October to get this thing finished. And like I said, all together, all the parts, other than the forearm, and the front sight was given to me. $570. Okay, here's the completed AR build. And three dummy rounds. Got a 30 round mag in it. This is a 20 round mag a friend of mine gave me. This is a 20 round mag that I got from T&T Firearms in Texas. Another friend of mine gave me a P-Mag 10 round, and this was a 10 round I purchased myself. I'm going to go to the range today and give her a trial run and see how she does. Okay, we're at the range with my AR-15 that I built. Got 2 rounds in the magazine, brass catcher, so I can check this gun out, make sure it's going to function properly. I'm going to take the sling off, adjust the scope, get set down here. Where's that other sandbag? Put it on top. We're shooting at 25 yards. I'm going hot. Putting it on safe. Picked up the other round. There's the empty casing. I'm going to check it. Everything looks good. Put this back on. Save your brass. Okay, we'll fire the second round, going hot. Functioned fine. There's the brass. Now I'm going to load up 5 rounds. I'm using Federal 223 ammo. Going hot. Bolt stayed open. It's empty. Go up and look at the target. Of course, now this scope that's on there, this red dot, isn't zeroed in, but holding full of bullseye, I'm shooting to the right. Look at that group. That's using that AR Stoner 5.56 barrel. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shots right there. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About the size of a quarter, you think? Mm-hmm. And 2 flies. So I am happy. My first AR build, and it's done. Now I'm gonna go back, load up a magazine, and shoot. But I'm gonna set the target up. Well, I'm gonna zero the scope first, and set the target up at 100 yards. See what happens. Again, there's the rifle. So my first build has turned out a-okay. Okay, here's Jared shooting his DPMS 308. This is the first time it's been shot since he bought it back in December. We just hadn't had time to get to the range. Weapon cleared. And we are empty. Go up here and look at the target. Right there. Right there. After that last adjustment, that's where I got them.